Good morning, students, and welcome in our Science Online class. We are learning lesson number 4 Understanding Birds. In previous video, we have seen three types of the nest. Today, we are going to see remaining two, that is, cup nest and pendant nest. So, first of all, I will read, listen me carefully. Cup nest. As the name suggests, these nests are cup shaped. They may be made in a variety of locations like branches of trees and shrubs, ground, etc. They are mostly made of grass and have a deep depression for the eggs. Hummingbirds and tailor birds make this type of nest. The tailor bird sieves leaves together to make a nest. It makes holes on the edges of leaves with its fine beak and sieves them with the thread, wool, leaves, etc. This is why it is called the tailor bird. The bird keeps hair, wool, grass, and cotton in the nest to make it warm and comfortable. So, students, as you can see this picture here, this bird is a tailor bird. This bird makes the nest in cup like shape, that's why it is called as cupped nest. They make their nest on the branches of the trees or shrubs or ground, etc. They make mostly with the help of grass and they keep a deep depression. Deep depression means, see, as you can see here, this is a branch of a tree and these are the two leaves. So they sieve these leaves, sieve यानी सीना, ठीक है. So they sieve these leaves with the help of the thread, wool or cotton. This bird makes holes on the leaves edges, okay, means the corner of the leaves. They make a hole and after that they sieve these leaves with the help of thread, cotton or wool. And in the, as you can see, as they sieve from the top of this leaf to the end of this leaf, so what happens, it gets a big depression, okay, it gets a deep depression. And these birds keep in this cotton, hairs and wool, grass to keep to make a comfortable and warm nest, okay. एंड देयर इज़ अ डिप्रेशन मीन्स थोड़ा सा खोल होता है वो, जिसमें वो अपने अंडे आराम से रख सकते हैं. ये टेलर बर्ड्स क्या करते हैं, जो लीव्स होते हैं ना ब्रांचेस पे, तो लीफ, दो लीव्स को एक साथ वो सी देते हैं, सीव करते हैं, ठीक है, सीते हैं वो लोग. तो वो जो लीव्स होते हैं उसके हर कॉर्नर पे क्या करते हैं, ऐसे बारीक बारीक होल्स बनाते हैं अपने बिक के मदद से. और उस बिक को जो होल्स बनाए हुए होते हैं, उस होल्स में से वो क्या करते हैं, थ्रेड, ऊल या फिर कॉटन, उनको जो भी मिला उससे वो क्या करते हैं, उसको बांध लेते हैं, सी लेते हैं, ठीक है. इसीलिए इनको टेलर बर्ड भी कहा जाता है. और ये क्या करते हैं, सीने के बाद इस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये खोल चला जा रहा है, मतलब उसमें डीप डिप्रेशन बन रहा है. तो ये जो बर्ड्स होते हैं इसमें हेयर्स रखते हैं, ग्रास रखते हैं, कॉटन रखते हैं, ऊल रखते हैं, जिससे क्या होगा कि एक तो नेस्ट वार्म भी रहेगा और साथ ही साथ एक कंफर्टेबल रहेगा, सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट सा लगेगा. तो ये है टेलर बर्ड्स. इसके जो रियल पिक्चर्स है मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. See, as you can see, this is a nest of a tailor bird. As you can see, this is one leaf and this is another one. And as you can see, these are the fine dots made with the help of its beak. And the bird has sieve with the help of the thread, wool or cotton. And she have also, or the bird have also kept in it grass, wool, cotton to make it comfortable. So this is the nest of a tailor bird. As you can see, the leaf of this tree is very big. So what it have done, it have folded this leaf into a circular form and she have sieved this leaf so that can make its nest. As you can see, this is the outer cover of the leaf and inside the leaf she have placed lots of grass, wool and cotton so that it can keep the nest warm and comfortable. See, this is a nest of an tailor bird. You can see here, see these fine dots made by the beak of the tailor bird and how she sieves its nest. How beautiful it is, yes? So this is the nest of a tailor bird. Pendant nest. The weaver bird and sunbird weave a pendant nest. The nest is very beautiful and strong. It is made of twigs, straws, and grass. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree and has a tunnel like opening at the bottom through which the bird enters its home. As you can see this is a weaver bird's nest. This is called as pendant nest. Why? Because its shape looks like a pendant. So as you can see, this is the nest of a weaver bird. This bird weaves its nest with the help of the grass and twigs and straws. So this nest is very beautiful as well as it is very strong. The weaver bird builds its nest on the high branches of the trees where the water is wherever the water is available, means the trees which are near to the water side, the bird build its nest there only. And its nest has a tunnel like opening through which bird goes inside. Okay, see students, this is a nest of an weaver bird. This is a branch of a tree and the bird starts binding its nest from this point. See, then she just starts making her nest from this way, and it includes a curve like shape and again a pipe like structure you can see here, or tunnel like structure. So the bird enters from this point. This is from this tunnel point. Okay, so at the bottom of this nest there is a tunnel like opening and bird enters in its house from this tunnel. So the bird will grow from here and here will be her eggs. So this is called as pendant nest. As you can see here, this is another picture of a weaver bird. You can see how beautiful this nest is. This bird builds the nest with the help of the grass, twigs and straws. See how beautiful it is. So this is pendant nest. See you in the next video.